bit probably which may, the petitioner may inure the benefit of that. One more allottee had filed a similar petition. It was listed before court on number 19 yesterday. Similar, the same Sangha. There, my lord, we have considered that there may be protection subject to two conditions. Number one, the petitioner shall not alienate or create third party rights. Number two, that he shall appear before the adjudicating authority and participate in the proceeding. That is the order passed by this
Coordinate bench.
Coordinate bench yesterday. I tried to, second, it is still not uploaded, but I have appeared in that. I was present when the honorable judge dictated the order.
We will do that only.
Well, the question of me appearing before the adjudicating authority may not arise at this point of time for the reason that they lack in jurisdiction.
Who?
We will not alienate, my lord. Your lordship may record my.
Lacking jurisdiction yake?
Yes, my lord, because unless and until, my lord, it has got two things, section 5 and section 8.
Yes.
It must be proceeds of crime.
Yes.
And then, my lord, laundering of the proceeds of crime. Illi, your lordship's ruling and the ruling of a coordinate bench is, it is a case of an allotment by an authority concerned. If it is a case of an allotment, and then thereafter, my lord, me paying the consideration payable by me for the allotment, and then the authority concerned executing a.
But the facts are totally different between Parvati and.
Does it amount to
totally
me
different facts.
being in possession of the proceeds of crime?
You are still in possession of the properties.
Yes, my lord. Yes, pursuant to me being put in possession by the authority after allotment and execution of a sale deed. Sale deed is executed. Earlier, my lord, I had become the owner of the property by virtue of a sale transaction entered into by me between myself and the erstwhile landowner. I had paid consideration to the landowner. Subsequently, my lord, the lands came to be notified for acquisition by the Muda. Then, my lord, I would make an appeal.
Reviewal entire relief is granted.
Adhe contempt.
Reviewal entire relief is granted.
Adhe contempt. Madlilla avaru.
No. Review. This,
There is subsequent resolution.
the review order. All the earlier orders are undone.
It may be right, it may be wrong. We are nobody to.
Lord, if my learned friend is unwilling to appear before the adjudicating authority and is going to the jurisdiction, my lord, then, my lord, I would like to take your lordship through the provisional attachment order to demonstrate how there is prima facie evidence of generation of proceeds of crime. My lord, the very allotment is illegal. My lord, there is backdating. There are a lot of monetary transactions. There is clear-cut evidence. My lord. All this has been reproduced in the provisional. Doesn't matter. My lord, the petitioner may be entitled for an allotment of site, but so long as the allotment of site is an illegal manner, then, my lord, the site itself becomes receipts of crime.
That is the case.
My lord, his eligibility to get a site is altogether a different issue.
Made by the authority concerned, my lord. If a crime has been registered against certain particular officials of the authority concerned, my lord, then every person in whose favor the allotment is made has got to lose the property. If that is the logic.
Then Vivekananda helbeku anta.
Let's review.
Our Muda.
Ade Muda.
Kotirodu.
Gottaಯ್ತು ade.
Kindly see the order passed in the review petition.
Ade page 55.
55.
You have agreed. Why did you agree?
I may permitted to read two paragraphs. Para 7. That in view of subsequent events which have taken place after the judgment dated 27/2/2023, we direct that notwithstanding the judgment dated 27/2/2023 passed by this court in writ appeal number so and so, it would be open to Mysore Urban Development Authority to take an action for allotment of the sites in favor of petitioners in WP so and so. At this stage, Learned Counsel for Mysore Urban Development Authority submits that suitable action for allotment of sites shall be taken in terms of resolution dated 21/3/2023 within a period of 8 weeks from today. What resolution dated 21/3/2023 speaks is that the resolution of the Muda should be sent to the government, obtain the approval of the government, and then proceed in the matter. The reason because the resolution dated 21/3/2020.
All right, well, number kodi adar jothe tag ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
RP was challenged before the Supreme Court, that came to be dismissed.
WP 6429.
To be dismissed.
We'll tag it with that and for on second.
6429 of 25.
Tag this petition along with WP
6429.
6429 of 2025. List them both on Friday. Next.
65.
In the meantime, can I have the benefit of some protection?
Day Friday ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Anyway, not to alienate ಅಂತಂಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲ
ಬೇಡ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ.
ಸೈಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಎಲಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಅದು.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ನಡೆದ್ದು ಹಾಲಿಡೇ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಿಗುವಲ್ಲ. And you will have to make direct the registry to list that WP also along with this.
That's what I've said, sir.
Call it after vacation by granting me some protection.
No,
That's
no,
all.
Friday we will do that.
Protection, if any, similar to the other one.
Friday we will do that.
No, my lord, we have jurisdiction.
Let
my
it
lord.
come on Friday. Yes.
Lord, my learned friend will appear on Friday.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Madhukar will be there on Friday.
Ah,
my lord. The lordship may excuse my presence.
No problems. ಇವ್ರು ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ. Yes. ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ, let it come. Yes.
Myself and.
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ. Second. Alienate, not to alienate, I will grant, he is agreeing. The other reliefs, no. No, not to alienate only. ಅದ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Friday ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ.
Please.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಬಹುದು ಇವತ್ತೇ.
Proceedings before adjudicating authority shall continue.
I am not saying anything about that.
No.
Only not to alienate ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
My lord, adjudicating authority would issue us a notice subsequent to the order which can be passed by the division bench, not to precipitate the matter.
It doesn't matter.
Not to precipitate,
Lord,
not to
Supreme
precipitate
Court found
illuva
it to be
like
prima facie illegal,
as
that
on
order.
today, I am examining
order was
a
found to be
particular
prima facie.
statement which is not in existence. Not to precipitate is set aside by Supreme Court.
No, while setting aside that order, my lord, the Supreme Court has said
Liberty
you
may
educated
have been
independently
reserved.
in
Sir,
this writ petition.
contempt
That means
will
your
not to
lordship has got to hear us on the merits in this writ petition is concerned. Anyway, now that my learned friend may not have any objection and your lordship also indicated to us that you may get the benefit of an interim order in the nature of not to alienate the property, then Lord, we will not do it.
Allah, that is the undertaking that given by
Not
you
do it.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. No